Who has the greatest influence on us? In 1981, Bibliton theorized that these types of social influence have a common effect on people. He proposed that the total impact of social influence is a function of the source's strength, the source's immediacy, and the total number of sources. Strength refers to the status, ability, or relationships of a source of influence compared to the target. Immediacy of a source refers to the source's proximity in time and space to the target. The number of sources refers to how many sources there are. Source strength is depicted by the size of the circles. Immediacy is depicted by the distance between the source and the target. And the number of sources is depicted by the number of circles. The stronger the source, the more immediate the source, and the greater the number of sources, the more influence the target will feel, and the more likely that target is to yield to it. If the source's attempts at influence are divided among targets, that will dilute the impact of the source, and the target may resist. This theory has been criticized for failing to explain why these factors affect social influence, but it has the benefit of predicting when social influence will occur,